In the previous video, we have shown you how to update WordPress website, and in this video, we will show you how to install WordPress theme. To install WordPress theme, there is two methods. First, you can log in and go to your dashboard. You can choose themes in here. You can add new, and this is free themes by wordpress.org that you can find and install them. To install, you can just click this. For example, let's install the Mighty. After the installation complete, you can activate. And you can see there, after your WordPress activate, the theme will change in here. And the second method, if you buy theme or get theme in another place, you can download this theme. For example, we will try to install this theme, but using file manager. We can download the package. This condition is suitable if you are also buy the theme. You will have the packages of your theme, and then you can upload into your file managers. Go to the public_html wp-content, and in the themes you can upload the package. After that, you can back, and if you see this folder Mighty, that this theme is we just install, and this is we need to extract, and if you reload, there is Kokoro folder in here that we can activate the themes in your dashboard and the appearance themes. This is the Kokoro themes that we just upload. Then we can activate this. After active, you can try to reload your website. Now the theme is changed again in here. There is two methods how to install WordPress themes, but you can also add new and they upload the theme via here. You can choose the package and upload like this. That's all.